Hey everyone, you're watching Wisdom Shots. An old man was teaching his grandson some life lessons. So he said there is a battle inside all of us, like a fight between two wolves. One is evil, he's anger, envy, sorrow, regret, greed, arrogance, self pity, guilt, false pride, ego, all those stuff. The other one is good. He's joy, peace, love, hope, humility, kindness, empathy, truth, compassion, and faith. The same fight is going on inside you and inside every other person. So the grandson thought about it for a minute and then asked this question to his grandfather. He asked, which wolf will win the fight? So the old man replied, the one you feed. There's a saying, right? We are what we eat. It's not just eating, it applies to our thinking as well. We are what we think, we are our thoughts. The quality of our life is the quality of our thoughts. The way our bodies work is based upon the food we put into them, right? So if you avoid junk and eat healthy, nutritious food, we will be physically strong and healthy. The mind is no different. If you want to be mentally strong and positive, we need to feed our mind with positive thoughts. So, the way you have thought in the past has led you to where you are right now. This is one book I read years back. It's called The 7-Day Mental Diet by Emmett Fox. A small book. I highly recommend all of you to read. So today I want to talk about an experiment he recommends in this book. It's called the 7-Day Mental Diet. So this diet is a mental discipline for 7 continuous days. A diet of managing your thoughts, pictures and images you create in your mind. So you're not supposed to entertain any negative thoughts for 7 days at a stretch. So when I say thought, I'm not talking about 1 or 2 negative thoughts which comes to your mind. We are human, we tend to think negative, but no continuous negative thinking. When you catch yourself beginning to focus on the negative, you have to immediately snap yourself out of it and change your thinking. So believe me, it's not an easy task to pull it for 7 days. So I've tried and failed miserably many times. So what I suggest is start with 1 day. Right? So try a 1-day mental diet. You can increase to more number of days later once you successfully complete 1 day. So to do this, we have to understand our thoughts. It is said we have some 60,000 plus thoughts every day. And thoughts are triggered by our senses, what we see, hear, and experience. So for example, if you watch news, it will trigger a lot of negative thoughts. Or you talk to someone, and if the experience is not pleasant, if it's not positive, it will trigger a lot of negative thoughts. Right? So whatever we experience with our 5 senses is our mental food. First thing to prepare for this diet is to consume less negative media. So this includes news channels, newspapers, social media feeds, your binge watching series on Netflix, TV channels, all those things which sell negative content to you to get your attention. So you have to cut it down. So when you consume negative media, it influences our thought process and more negativity will show up in your life. So I'll share with you one classic case. So one Mr. Kumar complained to IRCTC through Twitter last year. So he wrote, obscene and vulgar ads are very frequently appearing on the IRCTC ticket booking app. And this is very irritating, and he added several screenshots of the advertisement and marked everyone, including the railway minister. So the reply from IRCTC was epic. They tweeted, IRCT uses Google's ad serving tool ADX for serving ads. So this ads uses cookies to target the user. So based on user history and browsing behavior, ads are shown. So please clean and delete all browser cookies and history to avoid such ads. See, our brain and mind's algorithm is much more sophisticated than Google. So based on our thinking patterns, positive and negative events and people show up in our life. So if you start observing your thoughts, you realize there's a pattern of thinking. We all have a thinking pattern. It's called habitual thinking pattern. It can be positive or negative. If your habitual thinking pattern is negative, you have to break that pattern or interrupt the pattern with positive thoughts. Negative thinking drains your energy and will make you weak. So mental diet is all about being mindful about our thoughts. At first, this is going to be challenging, extremely challenging, but if you put conscious effort from your side, your life will change for good. See, when you embark on any diet, you know that your mind plays tricks on you. Your body craves for junk food when you are on a normal diet. So this diet is no different. You will find your mind wanting to go towards negativity, wanting to say something or gossip about someone or something. So be aware of it. One more thing, your conversations with yourself. During this time, be kind to yourself. Your self-talk, right, should be positive, no victim talk. During your diet, do not fear negative thoughts. Do not give them any power at all. Shift your focus and energy to something positive. When someone at office or at home talks about things in a negative way, remember it's your choice to allow someone to affect you and your mindset. So don't dwell on it. Just move on. The condition of your life in the future, tomorrow, next week, next month, next year, will be conditioned based on the thoughts and feelings you choose to have today. So choose it wisely. During this diet, commit yourself that no matter what happens, I am going to be in a beautiful state. Your mind is a powerful thing. When you fill it with positive thoughts, your life will change. So I highly encourage everyone who is watching this to take up the 1-day mental diet challenge. This will be one of those most thrilling challenges you have ever taken in your life. All the very best. Thank you so much for watching. Stay strong, stay safe.